How to verify Coinjar account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can verify your Coinjar account. So in order to verify your account, first thing first, let's see that you've created your account. So then begin with the creation of your account. And now once you're done creating your account, that's going to take you to this page where you can actually need to verify your account. So if you don't want to do this procedure as well, you can tap on the skip for now button and then skip the part, or else you can just go ahead and tap on complete verification and you can begin with the verification. So basically, to verify your account, you need to go through the three steps. First of all, you need to verify a driver's license, and then you need to verify the deposit fund direct to your account online, and you can start buying Bitcoin today, which means that you've completed your verification. Now click the verify button or complete verification button located right at the bottom. As soon as you press on it, a confirmation will be sent through an email or an SMS. So you have to select it first of all and click on resend verification email. After you've done that, you'll be notified with a statement stating that you've successfully verified your account. So click on complete verification located right at the bottom. Once you've done that, now you need to upload the picture. So you can either upload your driving license or you can upload a passport, whichever is convenient for you. Select that. Next page, you'll be asked to provide in the phone number. Along with that, you have to verify it. So for that, a 6-digit code will be sent. So click on verify located right at the bottom as soon as you're done entering the information. So then you'll be notified with a statement stating that you've successfully verified your Coinjar account. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.